Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 1 power x plus 8 power x equal 27 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 1 power x plus 8 power x equal 27 power x. So if I divide both sides by 27 power x, it becomes now as per exponent rule, a power n by b power n, we can write it as a by b whole power n. So 1 by 27 whole power x plus 8 by 27 whole power x. This RHS becomes 1. So 1 by 1, this 27 I can write it as 3 cube whole power x plus 8 as 2 cube by 3 cube whole power x minus 1. Now 1 by 3 whole cube we can write whole power x. Similarly, this becomes 2 by 3 whole cube whole power x equal 1. So 1 by 3 whole power, this becomes 3x. Similarly, this becomes 3x also. 2 by 3 whole power 3x equal 1. Now this 1 I can write as 3 by 3. So 1 by 3 whole power 3x plus 2 by 3 whole power 3x equal this 3 of numerator. I can write 1 plus 2 by 3. So 1 by 3 whole power 3x plus 2 by 3 whole power 3x equal 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 with power 1 if I'll write. Now on comparing both sides, we can write 1 by 3 whole power 3x equal 1 by 3 whole power 1, or the second one if we compare 2 by 3 whole power 3x equal 2 by 3 whole power 1. If the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 3x equal 1, x equal 1 by 3. Let's verify with another one that x is 1 by 3 or not. Here is also 3x equal 1, x equal 1 by 3. So what is the value of x? 1 by 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.